Hello students, I am Apurmatul, and in this video I will discuss what is an amended tax return. So you file your tax return and you file your tax return in form 1040 and you file it on or before the due date to file the tax return. So if you are a calendar year taxpayer and you are filing your 2023 tax return, you will file it by April 15th, 2024. That's the last date to file the tax return without penalties. So your due date to file the tax return is April 15th, 2024. Although you can get 6 months extension by filing form 4868. So if you timely file form 4868, you get 6 months extension. So your filing period ends either on April 15th, 2024 or October 15th, 2024 if you have applied for extension. So if you have not applied for extension, your filing period ends on April 15th, 2024. And if you have applied for extension, your filing period ends on October 15th, 2024. So you timely file your tax return. Now, the return that is filed after you have already filed your tax return, timely filed tax return, but after the expiry of the filing period is your amended tax return. So you have already filed a tax return. Now you want to change your tax return. If you're changing your tax return after the expiry of the filing period, and this filing period would end on April 15th, 2024 for 2023 tax return, or if you have applied for extension by filing form 4868, then this filing period would end on October 15th, 2024. Now you're filing an amended tax return after this period, after the filing period. So you're changing your tax return, but changing it after the expiry of the filing period. And that tax return is amended tax return. You file that in form 1040X. For example, you are a calendar year taxpayer, you are filing your 2023 tax return. Due date to file the tax return is April 15th, 2024. But you timely file form 4868, get 6 months extension. Now, extended due date to file the tax return is October 15th, 2024. And you file your original tax return on September 20th, 2024. So that's okay because you have time till October 15th. But after filing the tax return, original tax return on September 20th, so after filing that, you discover certain omissions or certain errors in your tax return. You want to change your tax return, but filing period has expired because filing period expires on October 15th, 2024. Now you want to change your tax return. You file form 1040X and you file it on November 4th, 2024, after the filing period. Now, this tax return in form 1040X, which is filed after the expiry of the filing period, is your amended tax return. All right, students, we'll connect again. Goodbye. Take care.